on both sides. Now spread the chicken and the cheese. Don't make a mess. Now you do the chicken. After you're done, enjoy the food. This tastes good. You should put sour cream with that. Bye-bye. Bye.